Hello Year 6 parents and carers, and welcome to the first half of the spring term. Our topic for this term and our focus is on World War II and how it changed Britain. And so, as you can see from behind me, we have a fantastic timeline that the children have helped us to create over the last week, as we've been using some different primary sources to start to explore the social, political and cultural changes that World War II had on Great Britain during the World War II, 1939 to 1945. We're really excited. It's a fantastic topic, and with lots of really exciting opportunities, such as a drama workshop with Mr. Timmins that we'll be doing to explore evacuee experiences, and also lots of opportunities for the children to look at video, hear oral testimony, and also use a different range of primary sources to explore the impact of the war on Great Britain.
Hi, as Year 6 mathematicians, we will be looking at fractions, decimals and percentages, so they are quite interlinked, so we can relate to each other. We will be using problem solving and reasoning questions. We will be doing a lot of this, some by written and some a lot through oral practice. We shall also be looking at ratio and proportion problems.
So, inspired by our topic this term of World War II, we've got lots of fantastic texts that we'll be using in our book talks and to inform our writing as well, such as the classics Goodnight Mr. Tom, which I know is everybody's favourite, Carrie's War, and also some newer texts as well, Our Castle by the Sea and When the Sky Falls, which are also fantastic examples of helping us to understand evacuee experiences and experiences of children during World War II. We'll use these texts to start to help us to imagine those evacuee experiences, and we'll be writing a range of different texts this term. For example, a letter as a government official persuading parents to evacuate their children, a letter as an evacuee inspired by our own drama workshop where we get to imagine that we are evacuated, and that will then inform a letter as an evacuee to a parent. And also a narrative story about the Blitz. So watching some video footage, using some imagery to really inspire and create a really good kind of creative base to help the children to write about that.
So, as musicians, we are going to be looking at the music of World War II and how this inspired morale and propaganda during the period.
As computer scientists, we will be doing a little bit of coding. So the children have already experienced Scratch, but now we're moving on to using these lovely little things. So this is called Microbit. So the children will be programming it, coding this little cluster of 25 LEDs to do really, really cool things. They can make them do whatever they want to do, which is really, really good. And so they'll be using these microbits. And then later on in the half term, they will be doing some multimedia content. So that's using still images, videos. They'll be providing subtitles and voiceovers to create their own multimedia content. Athletes, we are participating in invasion games in the form of handball. We will talk about attack and defence and tactics. Indoor PE, we are again using the inspiration of the Blitz in World War II to create some contemporary dance.
Building on from this, we'll be looking at how to keep fit and healthy on our E4S this term.
As artists, we will be using the art of Bill Brandt and Henry Moore. We will be using different media to inspire our pictures. Here you can see the pictures of Henry Moore taken in the air raid shelters in London, and you can see how he's used the perspective and the wax resist and the form, the contour lines to really develop that sense of object, really.
As spiritual learners, we will be looking at how different religions express their beliefs through worship, rituals and celebrations.